This whole time I thought we were only looking for fish, but it turns out there are dinosaurs as well. The Philippine serpent eagle. Oh, look at the size of that thing, Daddy.
Sige lang, enjoy.
Daddy, this is the closest I have ever been to an eagle. Oh, it's gone.
It's gone.
All right. Next phase. Whoa! You see that? We're going bird watching. Oh, we're in a jungle. Oh, this is one of my favorite bony fish. Silver arowana. And its neighbors are blood red parrot, kitchild, cichlid, tucanere peacock bass. Peacock bass. Whoa! What is that? Wait.
Saan yung ulo niya?
Ito oh. Ito yung eel.
Ito.
Oh, hi Hey buddy.
Ito.
You're one of my silver arowana. It's one of my favorite bony fish. Come on, Mamang.
Tama na, marami ko dun sa baba.
They never told us the name of that eel, but it's probably a pike. But... Ay, nandun yung label? Okay. Sorry guys, I missed the label. Oh, look at it, the birds. We're going bird watching. Hold on. Someday we're gonna know your name, big fella. Birds and fish. Awesome. Cichlid. I think they're called cichlids. I don't know that this is the first time I've heard of that name. Oh, a chameleon. Oh, it's a chameleon.
Changing color na.
Yeah. Where's the chameleon? Bird. Oh, there you are, you big beauty. Wait. Oh no, hindi. Sorry po. Excuse me po. Let me get a review. Oh man. Oh, you can barely see it. Oh, the stupid reflection. There you go. Yes, Dad?
Manok.
Chickens.
It's not chicken.
Ano yung manok?
Oh no, it's a fowl?
Yeah, it's a fowl.
Saan na saan?
It's a
Sabi mo kasi manok eh.
Ano? Wala, huwag ka na.
Sabi ko manok.
Yung malaki.
Ooh, red-bellied pacu. Ooh, piranha.
Paku siya, paku.
They just look like piranhas.
Mamang yan, paku.
Ito yung natakot noon nung ano. There's also a pike. Although they resemble piranhas with their sharp teeth and similar body shape, but it's permanent herbivores. Large. Oh, they're related to piranhas. That's why they look like piranhas. Hey, big fella, you're not gonna eat me if I dive in, don't you? Giant mottled eel. Mottled eel. Ooh, albino, Daddy.
Yes, albino.
This is... Ooh, parrots. You haven't made that sound in a long time, Dad. For bird watching. I think... Are those turkeys? Okay, next route. It's gonna be a long
Turkey is
video.
much bigger.
I thought I'm an expert in animals. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this one all over the internet, the archerfish. Kung wala tong takip daddy, and meron insekto dun sa vines
They're going to jump.
No, they have the ability to shoot water out of their mouths and shoot at the insect.
Why?
Hey, buddy. I'm so focused on my own vision that I'm not even focusing on the camera's vision. Ooh, tortoise. Tortoise. You be the judge of how you get a piranha. Red-footed tortoise. Oh, this is related to dinosaurs. They're actually more closely related to dinosaurs than they do to lizards. And while that makes sense, if you realize that birds are dinosaurs, it means that turtles are more closely related to birds than to other reptiles. Turtles. Are we next? Catfish, oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, and a catfish. Albinos. Oh, alligator garb. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is amazing, mommy. Look. Albinos. Look at the spider web. If that spider hasn't been captured yet, it will be. The archerfish is gonna shoot at it and swallow it whole. Silk out a tortoise. Hey, tortoise. Daddy.
It's a big one.
Scare me like that, Dad.
Display.
I wasn't even looking at that. I was looking at over here. My dad scared me. My dad scared me like he does all the time. Okay, these next animals may not be as special, but here's some koi. Oh, guinea pigs. Charlie, that drank guinea pig. What? Whoa! Burmese python. Oh my goodness. Look how big it is! Oh my gosh! Marcus, over here. There's some more lizards and snakes. Charlie. That drunk guinea pig. Look at it, Marcus. Yeah, I know, right? To tag you. That Camille. Oh, look at these snakes. Sand boa. Dude, Daddy, halika dito. Snakes, oh. Paboritong animal ni Mami, oh. Thank you. Ano?
Having a pet.
Next time we see ball pythons, boas and pythons. Milk snakes. Where is he? Where's the milk snake? Nasan yung snake? Oh, there he is. He's hiding under the wood. Sa right. You might not see. I'll show you the video.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this one's moving. It's a fireball python, a milk snake. Well, okay, so we have so far a ball python, a sand boa, milk snake, and this another ball python, hognose snake. Oh, it's even harder to see. Corn snake. Oh! Monitor lizard. Where? Where? Oh, it's over there. It's over there. It's like a crocodile. Did you know that this is actually more closely related to those snakes than they do. You can touch the snake? Hindi ako nagpipicture, I'm just recording. Hey, oh no, don't worry, mine just come. I have never, this is my first time touching a snake. Oh!
Ano yan? Anong snake yan?
Python.
Bawa python.
Ball python. These are all fake, but they look super cool. Fake birds, fake lizards. Remember, birds are reptiles. Oh, look, an owl. Oh, what if we see an owl? That'll be so cool. I hope I don't sound that autistic.
Hello, welcome to Laura's house. We have our feeding for only 100. You can feed outside.
100 pesos?
Hello, welcome to Laura's house. We are bird feeding for only 100.
Oh,
Here, ma'am. You can feed the birds outside. Picture, ma'am.
Aquarium mismo.
Ayan, yan po sa third floor din sa oceanarium po.
Oceanarium.
trash cans in the shape of animals. That's actually cool. That's actually super cool. I said cool. I said cruel, okay? With an R, not cool. So not cool. Here's our map. This is what we saw in the video. Let's go. Look, Marcus. See pufferfish. Pufferfish! Pufferfish!
Now that's what I'm talking about.
I love pufferfish. Marcus!
Yeah.
Look at all these other fish. Here's a batfish. Platyx. And nasa yung pufferfish?
Wait lang, anak.
Eh, dumating kayo, kaya nagtago siya.
I'll find you later, pufferfish. At least may pufferfish daw to. Oh, these are called clownfish. Oh, sorry po.
Are those Nemos?
No, those are called clownfish, not really Nemo.
You wanna go inside?
Opo, opo.
Oh, pero mababa yung ceiling niya. Wait lang.
Teleport.